In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WordPress code, HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript. First, sign into your WordPress dashboard and open the site editor. From the main menu, go to Appearance and choose Editor. This loads your homepage template so you can work directly on the layout and content. Give it a moment to load fully. Once the editor is open, click the section you want to change so WordPress knows where to focus. We're going to switch from the visual view to the code view. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus M on Windows to open the code editor for the current template. If you're on a Mac, use Option plus Command plus Shift plus M. You can also use the editor's menu to toggle the code view if you prefer clicking over shortcuts. In Code View, you'll see that WordPress blocks are wrapped in helpful comments that look like WP group or similar. Find the group block that contains your content. If you're working with a nested layout, place your cursor inside the outer group and navigate to the inner group until you reach the exact section you want. This makes it easy to edit specific parts of the page without touching the rest. Look for the heading you want to change. For example, you may see a line with an H2 tag reading Coaching Services. Click right after that text and carefully replace it with your new heading. Keep the HTML tags intact and only change the words between them. Next, adjust any supporting text beneath it. If you see a paragraph tag that says something like sample sentence only, replace that placeholder with your actual copy. Again, keep the tags intact. Just update the content inside. When your edits look good, save your changes. Click the Save button in the top right corner. WordPress may prompt you to confirm which template or template parts you're saving. Review the list and confirm. After saving, exit the code editor to return to the visual view, either by using the same keyboard shortcut or the editor menu. This is a great time to scan the page visually and confirm that your headings and paragraphs display correctly. If your site is in Coming Soon mode or not yet public, click Launch, then confirm by selecting Launch Your Site. This pushes your changes live for visitors. Before launching, it's smart to preview your page on desktop and mobile and to keep backups handy. For small visual tweaks, you can add CSS classes or small CSS rules via the editor. For larger PHP